Welcome back everyone. In my previous video I walked you through how to create and manage the user accounts using the command prompt. Today I'm gonna show you how to do the same thing but on the Mac devices. So let's go and dive in. Now before we jump into the commands, I want to remind you that I'm using the Insight from enabled, and I will be connecting to the Mac device using the remote background. Okay, so our first command provides a detailed list of existing users and their attributes. Okay, you will get the information like user ID, group ID, the user directory, and you will also see the default shell that the user is using. With the next command, we will check the admin accounts, and if you prefer just to check the names instead of everything with the attributes, you can use this command. I also find handy to use Notepad++ to change the names in the command. So let me show you here. So if you click on the name and then go to search and then go to replace, you will have option to replace the name. Click replace all and all the names will be changed in the commands. This will definitely help you minimize typing errors. Okay, so now let's create the user. If you put at the end -admin, you will put this user into the administrator group, so you will basically create an admin account right away. Let's check now if the user was created. Now let's check if this user is in the admin group. And now I will use the AnyDesk to connect, and we will check if the user is an administrator. Okay, now let's go back to remote background and see how to change the password. So you type this command, press enter, you type a new password, you retype the password, and press enter again, and the password is changed. Now I will show you how to remove the user from the admin group, and then we will check on the Mac if the user is still an admin or is it just a standard user. Okay, we need to close the system settings and open again, and you can see that the user is a standard user now. And finally, to completely remove the user from this device, use this command. I use this command when the Mac users need elevated permissions to install the apps that they need for work, but I don't like to elevate their main account to administrator. I prefer to create a new local admin account just for installing the apps on the devices. I think from the security view, this is a good practice in terms of system management. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Cheers!